Okay, I'm outside, just walked out. And look what's coming across the lake. See that? I just walked outside. And it's coming right across the lake. I can't keep it still. I had to walk outside. It was all over the place. See that? It's coming right across the lake. I haven't even videoed Mohican yet. That is a government drone. He's right underneath Mohican. There's Mohican right there. Just chilling. And then here's this guy. Wow, I just walked right out back and this is what I walked into. Look, I'll just go up and there's Mohican. Wow, that's crazy. Right off the rip. Okay, I'm going to pause it for a second. Look at that. He's in invisible mode. Ah, it comes right out of it. Right when I started recording, that's Mohican. Yep. He's the main man. And here's another drone coming right out. That's a government drone right there. He's like so low. Well, that's a great picture of him. He's just hovering right over, like, let me show you how low he is. See that? That's a moon, huh? Look at the weird looking moon. I don't know. I haven't looked at the moon calendar. Got the moon and the government drone all in one picture. To the naked eye, that's like just a sliver of the moon. That's pretty cool looking though, huh? Even though there is a government craft right next to it. See, they circle around the lake. He's going back to the other side. That's a cool looking moon though. Even though it's pretty full. Compared to the naked eye, it's only supposed to be a sliver, or it is just a sliver. So you can see how that craft has moved all the way over to the other side of the lake now, where you can see it blinking above the moon. See that? And then they go over there somewhere. Here's another one. This one's coming across the lake. Okay, right above him this is one of the brothers' UFOs. And that's his brother right there. So that's 3 UFOs right there. That's 4. All within, just sitting right here.